What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have the pleasure of shooting with the amazing model Gaby, who you guys have seen on my page before. If you haven't, I'll put the video right below, here or there. We're gonna be try to get 2 looks in. The weather changed on us. It's supposed to be nice and hot in Miami, but it's not too hot today. It's kind of on the cold side, but doesn't matter, we're still gonna get it done. Tell you guys behind the scenes with us, and that's pretty much it. Get straight to it, no more talking. Yeah. Try to get the water over here, but I have you go right here. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Amazing. 3, 2, 1. Do one where you have your hands and you have it like on your. You're gonna do it. You're gonna have it up here, and then you're gonna have both of your hands here, like that. Like you're showing off the Brazil, but on the bottom of the shirt though. Yep, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then try to move the hair. Yeah. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Do one with the legs like crossed over like that. Yes, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Amazing, yep. Doing that like right here and then look straight at me. Yep, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. I'm gonna get a detail shot. Perfect. Move the hair right in the back so I can see the Brazil. Perfect. 3, 2, amazing. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. I'm gonna have you come right over here. There we go. Yep, right here. You don't have to go in the water. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1, and then yep, perfect. Amazing. Three, 2, 1. Let's see. This way. No, it's too back. Let's try right here. But you don't have to go in the water. I just don't watch it. But just like right here, but like right here, but just water. But just like not in the water, just like right next to it. Yeah. All right, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. And then let's do some like right here. You can do it like on the side. You can do some sitting, but you can do sitting first, and then you can do a side. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Angle yourself more towards me. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Grab the bikini. Yep, right there. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Just like play around with the strings and then go to the side. And then with the hair. Exactly. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Amazing. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Same thing. 3, 2, and turn a little bit this way. Yeah. And then try to move the hair, and you can put the hair on this side. Let me see. Actually, hair behind. Yeah. Because of the wind. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Perfect. Try to move that hair right out your eye. Yes. And that same thing. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Let me show you something real quick. Showing off the Brazil, showing off the body, but you want the sun, like the blue in the background.
Oh my gosh, I love those.
Got some
like
of
in
these.
a magazine, you know?
Exactly, exactly. All right, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Perfect. Got it? Perfect. 3, 2. Angle it just a little bit more. Yeah. And then move the hair so it doesn't block your eyes. Perfect. Three, 2, 1. And now face this way. Yeah. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then sit back on the ankles. Yep, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Got it.
We have like so many good ones.
Yeah.
So I'm good. I'm happy.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
I like it. So 3, 2, 1. Come like right over here. There we go. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Hold that right there. Bring right leg forward. Yep, just like that. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And now like lean in towards me. Exactly, just like that. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Do that on the floor, same exact pose. Perfect. 3. Let me see, sun's right there. Come a little bit, right there. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And then eyes right here. Yep. And then like that. Yep, perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then eyes right here. Perfect. 3, 2. Yes, that's it. And now both hands. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Hold that. Amazing. All right, let me show you these. They look great. 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. So put the, yep, go ahead. Perfect. 3, 2, 1, and 2, 1. Perfect. Amazing. Perfect. Do on the top. Do that and then bring your head this way. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Guys, I appreciate you. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. Gaby did absolutely amazing. I'll put her Instagram down below.
Yes,
Anything
Gaby
else?
De Paula.
Gaby De Paula.
Yeah.
I'll put that right below right here so you guys can give her a follow. Appreciate you guys. We're trying to get 100,000 before the end of the year.
Yeah.
So if you can like, hit that subscribe button, share it. I appreciate it a lot.
Yeah, he's the best.
Hey, I do my best. So I appreciate you guys once again. And if you guys have any comments, questions, please leave them down below. Be glad to answer them. Catch you guys in the next one.